I love this style. This is about how we live as New Zealanders. There's this wonderful sense of relaxation and informality, but there's still this little level of detail. It's loungy without being beachy. When you're looking at comfortable contemporary as a style, it's about balance and harmony, bringing items together. Now, if you've got a strong sofa, which has got quite a heavy feel to it, balance it with something that's softer, where the lines are different, where you've mixed curves, like in this coffee table, with something that's more linear behind it. If you're thinking about looking at, say, a corner sofa, or 2 pairs of sofas, balance that with softer items, like occasional chairs that are maybe more refined or finer in their finish. Don't feel that you're restricted in what you need to put on your floors either. We've chosen carpet, but this look is relevant to how you live. It's got to do with your lifestyle. The carpet, I feel, has given this particular look a level of depth and interest, but you can achieve this equally well with hard flooring. Just make sure that your colours have the depth that keeps the foundation of the style relevant.